Hi, I'm Ed Baldwin with your weekly wrap-up for Friday, October the 7th. Well, the grain and oilseed markets were mixed this week, with corn and soybeans up and wheat and oats lower. The corn upside, it was limited by the slowing exports and the lower ethanol demand, and as well as harvest is picking up. The soybean upside was limited as well, with China celebrating a national week of holidays and being mostly absent from buying this week. In addition, Brazil has had good planting weather for their soybean crop. The stock markets this week, well, they managed a small recovery after a month-long slide. Our November canola contract was up $16.60 a ton this week, and it closed out at $868.60. The November canola gained this week on a rally in the world vegetable oil markets and concerns that the yields are coming in a little lower than expected. The higher Canadian dollar did limit some of that upside. Our November soybean contract this week was up marginally. It gained about 2 cents and closed out at $13.67. The December corn contract was up as well, not that much, a nickel. It was up 5 cents and closed at $6.83. And our December oat contract, well, it was down this week, down 11 cents and closed at $3.79. And as well, our spring wheat Minneapolis December contract, well, it lost 14 cents on the week and it closed out at $9.68. The wheat markets, well, they were kind of choppy this week, but they did finish lower on some profit taking. The Russian-Ukraine conflict is affecting both the seeding of winter wheat in Ukraine and Russia's export program out of the Black Sea. Some beneficial rains also did fall in the U.S. southern plains, and the higher U.S. dollar also pressured prices lower. Our Canadian dollar this week, it gained about a half a cent. It was up 58 basis points and it closed at 72.98. Leading that dollar higher was a big surge in crude oil this week. Crude oil was up $13.03 a barrel and it closed at 92.52. The crude oil contract was up this week on OPEC's decision to slash production by 2 million barrels per day. For next week, well, we do have a USDA supply and demand report on Wednesday, and trade will be interested in seeing those yield and ending stock numbers. For canola next week, we'll look for prices to continue trading in the $850 to $900 area, and there is still a lot of canola to be harvested, and the yields have been kind of variable. We'll also look for wheat to try and move up back towards that $10 area. And, there is enough uncertainty out there about world supplies to keep the prices supported for now. Next week as well, Monday is Thanksgiving, and our office will be closed for the holiday. I'm Ed Baldwin with your weekly wrap-up for Friday, October the 7th.